Hello, I am John Paulo Nepomuceno. So for this time, we're doing a blindfold presentation. Let's start. Number one, define preliminary investigation. Define preliminary investigation. A preliminary investigation is essential inquiry conducted by law enforcement or prosecutor to determine if there is sufficient evidence or a well-founded belief that a crime has been committed. And a person being investigated is probably guilty of it. Number two, when is there doubt jeopardy? Jeopardy is attached and government generally cannot prosecute a person against of the same crime and points depending on the trials. Double jeopardy may also attach if the court accept a place a court accept a plea agreement, which is formal resolution of a case. What is preliminary inquiry? Preliminary inquiry is an essential stage in a criminal process that involve a preliminary examination to determine if there is sufficient grounds to proceed with the formal investigation, prosecution, or trial.